Welcome to my first series of Bring Your Own Laptop. So the first thing we are going to be doing is like install VS Code. As you can see, I already have that installed already. So I want you to go and install your VS Code first of all, then go to your extension, then install the extension called a live server. That will allow us to like view it in our web page. Here it is. After you install it, then we are ready to start on. And you see what that does in a sec. So let's begin. We'll create a new folder. After creating a new folder, we'll have to go open it in our VS Code. So let's create a new folder. Call it anything you like. It doesn't really actually matters. We can call it anything we like. And for this case, I'll be using TikTok. We'll go to our VS Code, which will be opening our Explorer, then open folder. My folder is in my desktop, and let's look for the folder TikTok. Yeah, there it is. After the folder it's open, wait for your VS Code to finish loading. Here it is. Now let's get started. Firstly, we will be creating a file called index.html, and today we'll be going over headings. So, and to create this, we are going to use Shift plus 1. This creates an HTML template, and we'll be talking about doctype HTML. This tells the browser that we are writing an HTML5, the latest version of HTML. It is not a tag, it is a declaration. And as you can see, there is an HTML language, which is English. This is the root element for all the content of our web page. The language English part means that the language is English. This helps with SEO and accessibility. Then we have our head tag, which contain the meta and the title, the meta tags and the title. So our meta tag UTF/8 allows us to input emojis, while the viewpoint content initial scale point one allows us to like edit different script size, edit our web page to allow us view different script size, while the title is the name that appears at the top of our browser. And our body tag, all the informations that we write on our web page, buttons, H1s, images are going inside of our body tag. It's like where all the content in our web page goes into. So let's start. Today I'll be talking about headings. But firstly, let's learn how to commit our code. So we'll be committing our code. As you can see, I already commented it, and we'll be using HTML headings. So headings in HTML are used to define the structure and hierarchy of content on a web page. So with they range from H1 to H6, with H1 being the largest of them all and H6 being the least largest. So they are H1, H2, H3, with H1 larger than H2, H2 larger than H3, vice versa. Here I am trying to like impute everything. So please just watch. Please hit the like button while you're at it. So to view this and actually see the difference between them, we are going to like impute a text inside them, each of them. So I'm going to like speed this up. And here we are. Remember we installed Live Server on the extension I asked you to install. So to view this on our web page, we are going to be using the help of that extension called Live Server. And what's a web page first tutorial without hello world? So I'm just gonna add that, and we are going to like go view it on our browser. I will be using the help of the live server extension we installed earlier. So once you right click, it will show open with live server, and below you will see our port starting, and it says server is started at port 5500. So here it is. As you can see, there is an hierarchy between each of our H1 elements, with H1 being the highest, H2, H3, and they have each of their own size different. And there we go. You've learned how to open and set up your VS Code, learned about H1 and your HTML template. With that, bye bye. Please like and share the video to help others.